Hello, Mike with Iron Studio here. Just showing you what we're doing today. We're working for a project manager, not project manager, shoot, building manager. Yes, building manager, there's the word. But, so, where is it? Oh, up, over. That handrail fell off of this stairs. All three of the points. Where is it? That one, and that one fell off. So we built these black brackets there, there, and there. We fastened those to the concrete, and then we had these. So we fastened these to the concrete, welded a bigger pipe on, and welded the pipe to the railing. And so that should be a nice solid permanent solution for helping these guys out. We also got to do it with the good old truck here, oldie but a goodie. So, well, off to the next job.